The Bible is God's Word. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you the Bible. Inside the Bible is a sword of Christ to kill Satan. It's very sharp. And this one, what's this? A flashlight to see at the dark when you can see if you're in Satan. This one is a seed that grows to our heart, and it will turn to a tree.
Your faith will turn into a tree, okay.
And what's this? A mirror. Mirror will show us